Hey.
Thank you.
And we now open the mic and open the floor to ask any questions to the esteemed panelists over here. Thank you so much. Who would like to?
We all women. We learn quite many things, we understand so many things, and we also come to know that there are women who go through so many, hell of a time in their life, which maybe we are blessed that we are not living that life. So it's what that you did try in between, different genre, and then again you come to the women oriented, like what it is that attracts you there.
Really, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But if you see दिल तो बच्चा है also, if you see the point of view is for women only. If you see, अभी तो अजय देवगन, इमरान हाशमी होते हैं, but women had a very essential role in that film also.
उसमें men accessories नहीं
वो ठीक है, वो कभी-कभी ऐसा करना पड़ता है. कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि थोड़ी फिल्म बनाने के लिए you feel that because there was slice of life. Basically that movie was comedy and it was very nice. अभी भी आती थी में lot of people keep calling. I know it's one of a very good film, like मेरा humor पूरा डाला उसमें मेरे पिक्चर में. So I think ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अलग-अलग सब्जेक्ट होता है, अलग-अलग इशू होते हैं. हमारे देश में सोसाइटी में ऐसे कई ऐसे इश्यूज है, टॉपिक है जो महिला पहले हमेशा बोलते थे मधुर बनाता है, हम लोग नहीं बना पाते. लेकिन ऐसा मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि कहीं और भी ऐसे फिल्म मेकर, कंटेम्परेरी फिल्म मेकर मेरे कलीग्स हैं जो उन्होंने बनाना शुरू किया है. इट्स अ गुड साइन बिकॉज आई थिंक हमारे देश में इस तरह की फिल्में बननी चाहिए और एक्ट्रेसेस को ये होना चाहिए इंकरेजमेंट कि उनके लिए भी फिल्में बनती है. तो आई थिंक दिस अ गुड साइन एंड आई एम हैप्पी कि people always say Madhur, you started from Chandni Bar, So I think that's a great initiative which I started with Chandni Bar to Sapta and every film of mine. So I think it's a great thing and I feel that more filmmakers should make women-centric cinema.
Yeah, but I think you are the lucky one. You make contemporary films and they go hit. Basically, contemporary films don't go hit.
I know how to control the budget. I think budget, any film is very necessary to control the budget. That is very essential for any film. That's what it is very necessary for any film I'm talking about. If you control that, then half the battle is won. Because the problem is that, like a lot of people say, कि यार हीरो को इतने पैसे मिलते, हीरोइन को इतने पैसे नहीं मिलते, क्यों नहीं मिलते? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये मानसिकता कब जाएगी लोगों में जब आप कभी बोलते कौन सी पिक्चर वाले को पिक्चर आप कभी पूछते हीरोइन कौन है, आप भी बोलते हीरो कौन है उसमें. So that mentality we have to change. That mentality will change when it will be कि any actress I'm talking about कि जिसकी पिक्चर के लिए आप जा रहे हो कमर्शियल की मेरे को वो हीरोइन की पिक्चर देखनी है, जैसे आप कहते हैं वो स्टार की पिक्चर देखनी है. तो वो मेंटालिटी आएगी जब लोग बोलेंगे मेरे को एक्ट्रेस की पिक्चर देखनी है और बॉक्स ऑफिस में शी डज अ गुड बिजनेस, देन शी विल बी एज इक्विवेलेंट पैसा मिलेगा उसको जो हीरो को मिलता है. तो एक वर्ल्ड ऑफ फिनोमेना है कि हीरो को नहीं व्हाट सिचुएशन इट इज. एंड जहां तक डेयरिंग की बात है, मैंने हमेशा डेयरिंग की फिल्में बनाई है, सबसे पंगा लिया है, चाहे बाहर वालों से लेकर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से लेकर सबसे पंगा लिया. तो लेकिन ठीक है, दैट्स बेसिकली दैट्स अ किक यू गेट एंड द काइंड ऑफ सिनेमा यू मेक. It gives you more ammunition to make another film now. ये डरूंगा नहीं फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, तो that is very necessary.
I think it's going to be after Modi is a family matter.
Hi sir, just wanted to ask you told everybody saying कि man is like an accessory in your movie. So how do you decide?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा मत बोलो यार, कोई काम नहीं करेगा मेरे साथ. नहीं ऐसा नहीं, they have very important role, they play very important role of the film.
Both are equal. But I want to ask you, how do you decide कि this जैसे आपने Chandni और Nagi Tabu will play the Chandni part role? How you see कि वो inner strength इस woman में कैसी है और how you decide easy to come this movie?
You know the thing is what I'll tell you the best part. Like a lot of actors don't understand कि sometimes कि I look from the perspective कि मेरे प्रोटैगनिस्ट कैसी, जैसे तबू की बात की, मुमताज का मुझे लगता है कि रोल तबू कर पाएगी. द वे शी कैरी हरसेल्फ एंड यू नो द दो बच्चे की माँ का रोल था वो वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हर इन अ पीक ऑफ हर करियर. तो शी सेड कि चलो मैं करती हूँ. दैट वाज अ चैलेंजिंग फॉर हर. Similarly, lot of things happened when I made corporate. So a lot of people, Bipasha had just come off of image of Jism, and it was a performance-oriented film. So a lot of people, Bipasha को मैंने बोला ये role, तो she said, Madhur, it's a beautiful role, funny actress, but do you think I'll be able to do this? I said, I know you will be able to do this character of Nishigandha. Yeah, so that is the filmmaker understands that. The filmmaker का एक होता perspective कि उसको समझ में आता है कि ये कर पाएगी बोल के. एंड आई थिंक बिपाशा बस ही करियर की बेस्ट पिक्चर है कॉर्पोरेट. एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रोल ऑफ अभी भी मेरे को बोलती किसी को मेरे को डीवीडी देनी होती तो आई गिव इट टू कॉर्पोरेट की डीवीडी देती हूं मैं whoever people wants to see her because that was a complete film of her where her performance was absolutely applauded, and people think it's one of the best performance of her. So as a filmmaker, I think how Indu will be, her character will be. When I saw Pink, I was really riveted of the performance, the kind of performance she gave, and definitely this was a complete film for her to the journey, the character, the nuance she got it, and absolutely she did justice to the role. And I remember to say, you all have seen the movie, the kind of justice she did. Absolutely commendable.
When you were doing this film, when sir was directing you and telling you these are the sequences you have to play, so you were going on asking questions, are you sure can you do that, or you're really confident what director is going to tell me I'm going to portray in the movie?
See, when you say yes to a film, you don't just say yes to a role. You also say yes to the director, to his vision, to what he wants of you. So I don't think actor and director being in conflict ever works for the best of the film. So of course I had my own understanding of Indu Sarkar as a character. I did my own tayari and everything. But when I am on set, there is always space for discussion. If I think इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करते हैं, then I can always go to him and say कि मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ. What do you think? So it has to be something that we do mutually together. Not like मेरे को ऐसा करना है. I don't agree with this. I don't agree with that. So, but the moment I go on set, personally as an actor, I surrender to my director. So along with my tayari, I follow my director's vision, and that's exactly what happened on Indu Sarkar as well.
Regarding the females, basically we are movie lovers, and ऐसा देखा जाता है कि ज़्यादातर it's about men. So we are like very happy when you have female-oriented films. So, is there any particular woman in your life who inspires you?
There are loads of them. He gets inspired by a different woman every day.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I think like as a filmmaker, I felt it that Chandni Bar was one movie which definitely gave me a perspective into, because I attended some 60 bars all over Mumbai. So every bar had a different story. Every bar had their own problem. I think that was one film which I really focused on it, and really focused in terms of the research, in terms of the characters, how it was. From there, I just got that journey. This is the thing, and then later on, whatever film I make, I feel inspiration ऐसा कुछ नहीं, but there are people who like in abroad, like obviously I like Angelina Jolie a lot, Madonna, Marilyn Monroe. I've read a lot about those women, so I think those are, I always feel that they have something connection with the kind of the characters they are, the way they behave, the way they're passionate, So that's always an inspiration. बाकी ऐसा कुछ नहीं, because I feel that it's basically the situation which gets me the right thinking. This is the way. And I don't know why it is always, people always say Madhur, जितनी हीरोइन है मधुर के साथ काम करती है उनकी बेस्ट पिक्चर हो जाती है. So I think it's a really great compliment, but I hope Kirti just started blinking on you.
ना भी काम करना.
आपके लिए शुरुआत हुई है.
It's a pleasure for, I guess, all the heroines who work with you.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure for them.
Yeah.
And one more thing, I mean, if there are any aspiring actresses in our Chamber Mommies group, so what would be the, See, you never know who might be aspiring to become an actress. So what suggestion can you give them?
Yeah, I think first and foremost, I think कि पहली बात तो you should film एक ऐसा माध्यम है कि when you want to act, it's completely it's not very easy. Acting is the most difficult. A lot of people have always told me, why don't I become an actor? Because I am a very pathetic actor, cannot act.
That he is, yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Everybody, a lot of people can vouch for it. So I feel acting is something, it is nothing like that कि आप सोच रहे हैं ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ या इससे अच्छा मैं भी दिखता हूँ या मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. It's very difficult. One of the most difficult thing to be in front of the camera. आप बोलना आसान होता है, लेकिन सिर्फ 200 लोग बैठे होंगे उसके सामने 2 लाइन बोलना हालत खराब हो जाती है. You cannot say the line. So it's very difficult to act, I would say, especially who wants to become actors. I think it's a very dedicated work. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई जाके हारमोनियम सीख लिया, गिटार बजा लिया, ऐसा नहीं वो. It is not like that. It is full डेडिकेशन बहुत होना चाहिए, जाके एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया या थिएटर्स किया। थिएटर बिकॉज कीर्ति का सबसे अच्छा बैकग्राउंड ये है कि शी इज कम फ्रॉम थिएटर बैकग्राउंड, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि लोगों लॉट ऑफ पीपल हेजिटेट कि भाई हम थिएटर में क्यों जाए, थिएटर इज बेसिकली यू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, यू लर्न अ लॉट। व्हेन पीपल लगता है मैं 2 वीक का कोर्स कर लिया, आगे इट्स नॉट इजी। तो फॉर एक्टिंग आई थिंक व्हेन समबडी परस्यू फॉर एक्टिंग, चाहे फीमेल हो मेल हो जो भी हो, वो डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए आप में, डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए, बहुत होना चाहिए। अभी जरूरी नहीं है आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा, अगेन इसका भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है, लेकिन वो डेडिकेशन करके आना चाहिए इसमें, तभी नहीं आना चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं आना चाहिए। दैट व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट। तो पिक्चर बैठ के देखना चाहिए।
That is the best part, you know, we enjoy whatever hard work you put into
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
and we like the fruit of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
We enjoy the movie.
That is the best thing. I'm trust me telling you. Shooting is the one of the boring thing. They go on the set and you see एक चीज 10 बार करते रहते हैं. It is like that. But I think देखना picture and to analyze it and we transport you in that world. That is very necessary.
We work hard for you guys to enjoy.
Absolutely.
We are really glad.
One more question, last question, sorry. I just wanted to ask, why are you making real cinema? I mean, I think you are inspired by Bimal Roy, Guru Dutt and Gulzar Saab, who are in a very different genre completely. And the films that you make, of course, they show reality. Those people show reality, but you are showing in a very hard-hitting manner. So how come you decided to accept and start with this kind of genre?
Like I said, Chandni Bar happened and it followed with Satta, PhD, corporate fashion, traffic signal. So it is like that. For journey for me, I feel that there are a lot of things. Like I'm basically, I always say that I'm a hidden journalist. Inside me, the journalist thick thing is there. People write blogs, people write books, people make documentary, I make films. The same thing. So it's nothing like that. And I feel that there are a lot of things which has to be in the real sense, and I try to make and which people believe into it. That whole journey also people believe in it. I feel that's a and very difficult. लोगों ने 50 फिल्म बना के भी जॉनर नहीं मिलता मुझे। बाकी खुशी के एक चांदनी बार ने गेम me a genre and the kind of brand I want. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we'll have a portion. I want to have with the group. एक हम लोग यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं। कितनी दो?
मधुर जी एक सेल्फी लीजिए।
सेल्फी लो। हाँ। मेरे फोन से लगवा ना।
आप ये फोन से ले लीजिए।
ठीक है। वीडियो है।
From this side, please.
So from this side, this angle also.
Yeah.
So from here.
Okay, let's take a long picture.
From here,
Normal picture. एक फोटो लेना ऊपर से।
You come ahead. Yes, fine.
थैंक यू। चलो
Have you taken a long picture?
हाँ लिया इसे लिया ना।
Where's your
थैंक यू।
I hope she remembers me.
क्या नाम है?
Sneha.
I'll tell her. थैंक यू। ये लाइट अच्छी नहीं है। थैंक यू।
so crowded?
चलो आजा।
Who's taking a picture?
There he is.
मेरा बाप। Done.
No. Thank you.
Thank you.
We can also take it.
Sorry, I'm
very well. चलिए आ जाइए ये तू भाई स्टार्टिंग में तक इतना नहीं चाहिए आपको